Today I will show you how to recover deleted emails from trash in Gmail using your PC. First I opened Google Chrome from my desktop. Then in the top right corner I clicked on the Google Apps icon next to my account picture. A drop down menu appeared and from there I clicked on Gmail. Gmail opened on my screen. Now from my inbox I selected a few emails that I wanted to delete. I clicked on the delete icon and those emails were removed from my inbox. Next, from the left side panel I clicked on trash. Here I could see all the emails that I had just deleted. Then I right clicked on one of the email inside the trash folder. A drop down menu appeared with two options: move to inbox, delete forever. If you want to recover an email, simply click on move to inbox. The email will be restored back to your inbox. If you want to permanently delete an email, click on the delete forever. In my case, I clicked on move to inbox and my email was successfully recovered. You can repeat the same steps to recover multiple emails at once. And that's how you can easily delete and recover emails in Gmail using your PC. If this guide helped you, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications for more easy tech guides.